Okay, so on today's video, we're talking about how to change your video resolution size in Premiere Pro. So before editing your video, is very important to actually know your frame size that you're working with. Probably you shot a 4K video and you would like to export it in full HD, or you want a full HD video and you want it to be exported in 4K video. So the only way to keep this consistent flow in your video, or to make sure that these things are in order, is to make sure that you come to your sequence here. So come to your sequence settings. If you can't click on this sequence settings, means that you've not clicked on this timeline. Just like, okay, let me click on this place now. If you come here, you can see that this sequence settings can be clicked. So for you to make sure that you can click on this sequence settings, for you to make sure that this place is being clicked, then you come here, you come to your sequence setting. So you can see this 3840 by 2160 is a 4K resolution size. So don't mind these other settings here. Our focus is on this frame size specifically. So let's be that you don't want to work with this 4K resolution because your second clip or your other clips are on full HD. So what you just have to do, you just have to change it to the full HD setting. So to change it in full HD setting, I don't know if you know, but full HD and 4K setting is like double of the size. So just like you dividing these sizes by 2 to get a full HD, to get a 4K from full HD is like you're timesing it by 2. You're doubling the sizes. So let's split this. You get 1920 by 1080. This is the full HD size. You click on OK. Yes. Okay, so this is it. You can make some adjustments here, or you can right click and put it in scale to frame size. It will make the adjustments to the frame size. Let me Ctrl Z. So probably you don't know what I did here. You right click here and you go down to scale to frame size. This is it. If you want to do it manually, you can come to this your motion here, scale, and probably reduce the size to, I think, 50, half of it, 15. Then that's it. You can see this other clip is in full HD too. So it's just like I said, you might have other clips that are in full HD and that clip is in 4K, or you might have 4K clips and you want it to sync with then the full HD. Anyways, just if you want to take it back to a 4K, come here, come to your sequence setting again. I told you times 2 of this is 3840. Then yes, let's 2160. That is it. Then take it, press OK. I'm taking it back to 4K. So as you can see, the video doesn't really fit the frame size. So what you just have to do is you see this 50 here that we reduce. I told you it's times 2, so you just like increasing it back to 100, taking it back to 100. Then you can come here and this particular one, let us scale it to the frame size, and that's it. Hope you learned. Just give me a like button and subscribe for more. Yep.